On the 5th of September, a startling incident was captured on dashcam footage and shared on the Facebook page SG Road Vigilante, SGRV, showing a dangerous altercation between a white van and a Mercedes on the Raja Expressway, AYE. The footage revealed both vehicles fighting for lane dominance in the leftmost lane, near the Clementi Avenue 6 exit, at around 4 p.m. Despite the fact that the middle lane was entirely empty, both drivers seemed intent on staying in the same lane, neither willing to back down. At certain points in the video, the vehicles appeared to be just inches away from each other, with the slightest error in driving potentially leading to a collision. The situation escalated as the Mercedes briefly slowed down, which gave the white van an opportunity to push ahead and take a more central position in the lane. However, the Mercedes driver quickly accelerated, putting both vehicles on a collision course once again. In a last-minute maneuver, both drivers swerved to avoid an accident, returning to their initial positions, still determined to dominate the lane. Even after this near-miss, the dangerous contest for lane superiority continued. The van, at one point, swerved onto the road shoulder, seemingly attempting to bypass traffic. Eventually, the Mercedes managed to claim the center of the lane, forcing the van to brake and move behind the car. As the van moved back into the middle lane, the Mercedes seemed to interpret this as another challenge, swerving aggressively to compete once again. However, this time, the van accelerated ahead and finally left the contest, heading back to the leftmost lane to exit the AYE at Clementi Avenue 6. Whether the Mercedes intended to follow the van or not remains unclear, but it ended up out of position to make the same exit. The video of the incident has sparked significant reactions online. Many netizens condemned both drivers for their reckless behavior, calling them arrogant and childish. One commenter emphasized the potential danger, asking what might have happened if there had been children in one of the vehicles. Another speculated that the Mercedes driver acted out of confidence, assuming that financial backing would protect them in case of an accident, while the van driver, being a worker, would likely be answerable to their boss. Despite the humor that some viewers attempted to inject into the situation, suggesting that Singapore's drivers were showcasing their high-level driving skills by fitting two cars into one lane, the overall response has been one of concern and criticism. It highlights the dangers of road rage and ego-fueled behavior on Singapore's roads. Now, we want to hear from you. Have you ever witnessed similar behavior on the roads, and how do you think drivers should handle such situations to avoid potential accidents? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 2234 more news updates. Thinking question: in this situation, both drivers were at fault for escalating the road rage incident, but what could have been done differently to de-escalate the situation and ensure everyone's safety?